Pixly Fluo 3D Icon Pack is a dynamic Android application designed to enhance the visual experience of mobile devices through a stunning collection of 3D-style icons. This app caters to users who appreciate a modern and sophisticated aesthetic, offering a unique twist on traditional flat designs with its eye-catching three-dimensional effects. The Icon Pack typically features a wide range of icons that correspond to popular apps and system functions, all rendered with bright colors and vibrant gradients, creating a sense of depth and dimension. This approach makes the icons stand out on home screens, giving users a visually striking and personalized interface. Pixly Fluo 3D Icon Pack usually supports various popular launchers, ensuring seamless integration and easy application for users. Additionally, it may provide regular updates to include new icons, keeping the collection fresh and relevant. By offering a blend of artistic design and functionality, the Pixly Fluo 3D Icon Pack allows users to transform their Android devices into a visually appealing and engaging environment, reflecting their personal style and enhancing their overall user experience.